Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday. Marvelous Monday. All right. Last night I did Parmesan tortellini Alfredo with grilled chicken. So the question was I going to go out and use my grill outside or the grill plate on the stovetop? I chose the grill plate on the stovetop. Worked out great. I actually serve up, and I have two of these, and I like to use them for kind of dishes like last night. Laid in the tortellini and put the Alfredo and put the cut chicken right on top. So it was fun. Fun meal. I'll post this up. It's really good. Yeah. Tonight, I'm preparing mushroom spinach soup with Middle Eastern spices. Super simple. After kind of a day I'm probably going to have working on the cookbook, it's probably a good thing. So let's get to it. Got the hardware. Dutch oven. Pound of sliced baby bella mushrooms. Some olive oil. Veggie stock. Garlic. Yellow onion, be using the lemon out of this lemon, so I'll be juicing it. Very Mediterranean, very ethnic. Salt, kosher salt, black pepper, turmeric, cumin, coriander, ground nutmeg, and ground cinnamon from the local spicery in Marysville, and cilantro, and the spinach. Super simple meal, but what attracted me was the Middle Eastern spices. I don't do much Middle Eastern, but that's a great combo. What shall we? It's Monday. We'll figure it out. I'm sorry. We'll find out how it goes. So on this marvelous Monday, have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.